Ashley has been cleaning and restoring roofs for more than 30 years and specializes in exterior cleaning across Northampton. Over time, roofs become covered in far more than just dirt. Wind carries dust, pollution, and debris onto the tiles, while damp weather creates the perfect conditions for moss and algae to grow. Moss is especially problematic because it traps moisture against the roof surface. If left for long enough, it can spread between the tiles and accelerate wear over time. That means cleaning a roof properly involves much more than simply sweeping away the debris. One of Ashley's main tools is a pressure washing surface cleaner. Inside the housing is a horizontal spray bar that spins at high speed using nothing but water pressure. As water is forced through angled nozzles, it creates thrust that continuously rotates the bar beneath the surface. This spreads the cleaning power evenly across the roof and avoids the streaks and patchy marks often left behind by standard pressure washers. Once the thick layers of moss and algae have been removed, specialist treatments can be applied to tackle any remaining organic growth. Products such as biocides are commonly used because they penetrate deep into moss, algae, and lichen. Many of these treatments continue working after application, helping slow regrowth and keeping the roof cleaner for longer. Different roofing materials often require different cleaning methods too, which is why experience is so important. By the end of the process, years of dirt, moss, and staining can be removed, revealing the roof's original color once again.